India's e-commerce market hit $10.9 billion in 2022, and it's still climbing. From cloud kitchens to content creation, there's never been a better time to start your own business. Ready? Let's dive in. Today, we are breaking down 3 types of businesses you can start: online, offline, or a mix of both. Grab your notebook, because this is your blueprint for success. First stop: online businesses. These are perfect if you want to start small and think big. E-commerce. Sell niche products like organic skincare or handmade crafts. Start on Amazon, Flipkart, or even your Instagram store. Trust me, it's not a hard sale. Freelancing. Got a talent? Sites like Upwork let you earn from skills like graphic design or writing. Freelancing turns hobbies into side hustles that pay. Content creation. Whether it's fitness, tech, or food, you can vlog, post, and profit. A YouTube channel is like your own digital soapbox. Prefer face-to-face? Offline businesses are still thriving. Here are 2 ideas that are cooking up success. Food trucks. Serve quirky fusion dishes or regional favorites in high-traffic areas. It's really fun and affordable to start. Gyms. India's fitness trend is booming. A gym or yoga studio can be your golden ticket, especially if you add online classes to the mix. Why choose when you can have it all? Hybrid models let you mix online and offline strategies for maximum impact. Cloud kitchens. Run delivery-only restaurants through Zomato or Swiggy. Add pop-up tasting events for a personal touch. It's the recipe for success. Boutiques. Sell clothes online while running an offline store. Insta orders your store sales equals double the earnings. Every business has hurdles, but here's how to jump over them like a pro. Finding customers. Use WhatsApp business and Instagram ads to get noticed. Standing out. Leverage SEO and unique branding to stay ahead of the pack. Search no more. It works. Meet Priya, a homemaker who turned her passion for ethnic jewelry into a 50,000 rupees business on Meesho. Or Rahul, who expanded his yoga studio by adding online classes. Their stories prove that big dreams start small. The best time to start your business is today. Whether it's selling crafts or running a food truck, remember, every big success starts with a small idea. What's your idea? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more inspiring content.